Hi. Trouble, elevator dance.
Elevator dance. Elevator dance.
No, that is not the.
Oh, well, then do it then.
Yeah, we have to do it together.
Everybody's been asking about Jim and Cassie, and we are heading to dinner with these two tonight.
We dressed up for Christine and Pete.
They've been missing you. I gotta tell you, everybody's been missing you today. They've been like, where's Cassie?
Well, it takes hours to get so dressed up and to put on dark lipstick because that's dress up.
By the way, Cassie has the best taste in jewelry.
Hello.
She's got is red coral on, correct? Let me do a show up of your bracelet.
Oh, this one?
Yes. look
This
at
is
that.
from the Frankfort, Kentucky Museum at the college. This is from TJ Maxx. These are from Mexico.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, I need a pillow because I'm old. But this is fabulous. This turquoise, it was so expensive. I got it at TJ Maxx.
I love it. It's beautiful. And look at our beautiful seat tonight, right up here.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen.
Jim, you got to say hi, ladies.
Well, hi, young ladies.
Yes.
He qualifies it.
The dining room is another place on board. We can have dinner. We can have tonight. We're dining with Jim and Cassie.
Cassie, what did you order?
Well, they don't have it on the menu, but on another ship, I had an arugula and shaved asparagus salad with a lemon vinaigrette. So I mentioned it to our waiter a couple of nights ago, and the next day he had it for me. It's so delicious. And tonight he brought me two.
Yeah, she has two of them.
We'll share.
For my first dish, I ordered a beef carpaccio. Here is my beef carpaccio with mustard and cheese. And Pete is having a soup.
Tortilla soup, original from kitchen.
Tortilla soup.
Original.
From kitchen, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, Cassie, what are you having for dinner?
Well, this is veg enchiladas, which I have not yet had, but I wanted hot sauce. So what did they bring me? Indonesian sambal. Do you know what that is? That is jalapenos, habaneros, Thai chilies, and lots of other stuff that will take the roof off my mouth and it won't be hot enough.
So I wouldn't like it.
I love it.
And Pete is having the shrimp and spicy sausage jambalaya. Jim is having the same.
I'm having jambalaya and a crawfish pie and a medium mayo.
Son of a gun, we'll have some fun on the bayou.
Then there's me. I'm having brisket. Let me show you. I'm having brisket, snap peas, broccoli, and mashed potatoes. Yes, you got fruit for dessert.
That's what I get every night.
Coffee, strawberry vanilla ice cream.
Oh, looks good, Jim. And Pete and I got rhubarb. What is it? Crumble rhubarb. Yes,
for me,
with a little bit of ice cream. Okay, Cassie's going to explain this to you.
So for some reason, my doctor thinks I need to be on a low salt diet. So I've talked to our fearless waiter, Ulysses, and he brings me this. And every night I'm to write down what I'd like to have tomorrow. This is hard. I don't know what I want to have tomorrow. But what I do know is I'm going to get my arugula and shaved asparagus salad. And then on tomorrow night, I've decided on smoked beef tri-tip Colorado chili sauce
Sounds good.
with sambal.
The reason I had her share that is because a lot of you have dietary restrictions, and you ask me all the time, Chris, are there gluten-free menus? Are there sugar-free menus? Are there no salt or less salt menus? That's an example. Just let your travel agent know when you book, and then when you get on the ship, let your waiter know. Had a great dinner. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye. See you later.
Bye.
See you later, alligator.
And tomorrow,
Young ladies.
and tomorrow, Cassie and I are going into Puerto Vallarta.
Stay tuned. Stay tuned, people.
Okay, what are we going to see tonight, Cassie?
We are seeing the comedy of Matt Delamont at 7:30 and at 9.
Cassie and I totally ditched the boys.
We did.
They went to bed.
We feel like we're up to something.
Yeah.
Maybe we are.
We're going to go try to sit front row for the show right now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, Cassie totally put us in the front row.
We're in the front row because we're at a comedy show and everyone knows that's the most fun, right? Right?
Not in the front row.
front row.
So that's just gentle rocking. I was like, oh my goodness, get out of town.